This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Wendy Musselman. This home will entice you with its cathedral ceilings and timeless appeal. The open floor plan offers a generous-sized entertaining/family space with lots of natural light. Granite countertops, exquisite cabinetry and a large island are the highlights of the functional kitchen. The primary bathroom is equipped with double sinks, a large soaking tub and separate shower. There is a nice deck and an inviting front porch, either of which would be a great place to sip your morning coffee during the warmer months. The 2-acre parcel is yours for the taking and is flanked with shrubbery strategically placed to mature and add privacy. A privacy fence has been installed and there is even an outbuilding for additional storage. Do yourself a favor and set up your tour today. For more information,